Welcome to the Chef Showdown at the Seafood and Sneakers Ball presented by the South Beach Seafood Festival. Tonight, we will see 11 chefs from some of Miami's best restaurants go head-to-head in 5 different seafood categories. Our 5 judges will taste each dish in each of the categories and vote. At the end, we will announce the winner. Not only the judges get to try all this amazing seafood, these great chefs and restaurants have stations for all the guests to enjoy as well. And of course, there are libations aplenty with the Bacardi Bar and the Hess wine stations.
All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, what could I say that hasn't been said? This is the 2nd annual South Beach Seafood Festival, brought to you by Hess Select. Bacardi is here, Coca-Cola, Warren Henry. Everybody who matters is here right now, including you. We appreciate you weathering the storm, kicking off your Manalo Blahniks and walking through the sand, and you're in for a treat tonight.
My name is Lou Musi. I'm the Vice President of the Alliance Division here with Premier Beverage. You know, the art of pairing food with a cocktail is a challenge, and I think the key is making sure the balance is there.
My name is Cassie Glenn. I'm the Yelp Miami Community Manager. As Yelp Miami Community Manager, my job is to connect people with great local businesses. So I host different events, I write a weekly newsletter, and I connect with local business owners about how to use the free tools available to them. At the Chef Showdown at the Seafood and Sneakers Ball, I'm really expecting to taste a lot of different dishes that all these amazing restaurants are making. They're from some of the most highly rated restaurants down on South Beach.
So you're a judge tonight.
Are you excited? Yeah, I'm so excited. I love, getting to see all those and trying every food, so I think it'll be a good time.
On my left, representing Poseidon Restaurant in Battle Octopus, Chef Demetrius.
My name is Dimitrios Paliotis, and I'm originally from Kalamata, South Greece. I'm going to be on the Chef Showdown event with the octopus category. I'm very excited about that because octopus is my favorite dish and it's very picky and difficult and nobody can cook it.
It's supposed to be grilled octopus, but we're going to have a grill here, so we're going to do sauté octopus.
Octopus is one of my favorite all-time seafoods. After living in Spain for a year, I really fell in love with fresh octopus straight from the ocean, and so I'm really excited that that's part of the competition this year.
And on my right, from Dulce Restaurant, Chef Paolo.
I'm Paolo Dorigato, the chef at Dolce Italian in South Beach, Miami. We're going to bring one of our signature dishes to the festival, and it's a dish that's been on the menu since day one. I hope the restaurant will win with this dish, though that dish is already a winner because it's one of our best sellers at the restaurant.
All right, Chef, how are we doing over here? You look like you got some octopus browning in the pan. Tell me what's going on.
So we're actually giving some searing a little bit the octopus on the outside, so to give it a little bit of crunch. So it's gonna be nice and crunchy on the outside and nice and moist on the inside. We're gonna serve it with some chickpeas here and farro and pistachio ginger lemonade.
I'm Lainey Doss. I'm the lead food and spirits reporter for the Miami New Times. And what I do is I go to every restaurant in Miami and experience the food and write about the food and the chefs. Chef Paolo's octopus is, I have to tell you, I've had it. It's amazing. So I'm looking forward to having it again and seeing what Chef Demetrius can do with it too.
Another thing I'm really looking forward to is the octopus portion of the contest. I think the Mediterranean countries obviously do a tremendous job with this dish, and I look forward to how they get creative in what they do.